We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To all the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for returns for to smash that like button so many of you watch this video. Helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So here we are with BBIG, and it sits at a very interesting point based off of 42 vision. And in today's video, we're going to talk about, is it over or does it still have a fighting chance to reverse from these levels? But before we break it all down, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunities I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. And if you want to get on early with us, every single morning we strive for opportunities like these. Check out the link down below in the description to the Discord, and we look forward to having you join us. We're going to jump right into it here with BBIG stock and everything going on within the charts and the data. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you want to get on early with us every single morning, we strive for opportunities like these. Check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. And by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So these are the stocks I mentioned this morning. Every single one of them gave 5 to 10%, 10 to 15%. But the highest one was DATS. And we caught this one in the pre-market as it was pulling downwards. It was under a bear indicator. And if it started to reverse with strength, it was looking like an opportunity when I mentioned it. It was at 334, sat sideways towards the bell, got that bull indicator, full strength through the volatility to a highest point of 25% plus, came back down, gave small jumps of 5 to 15%, and also reached another 15 to 20% jump in a matter of minutes towards the middle and the end of the day, guys, presenting two opportunities of highest points of 25% plus. If you want to get on early with us every single day, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We strive for opportunities like these every single day, and we look forward to having you join us. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with BBIG pulling back 2 days in a row, and yesterday it was at a pivotal point, reversing from extreme weakness, coming back up with red with green borders, and we wanted to see dark green and continuation of strength. Well, it didn't do that. It continued into weakness, but every single time it's hit extreme weakness, we are seeing possibilities of reversals. This one was from 399 all the way to 484. You do the math, that was about 30%. This one was from 386 to 440s. That was about almost 20%. And now the question is, will this reverse back up with strength for another 10 to 20% move, 20% plus move, or is it going to continue into weakness? Because this has been 2 days back to back, and after going up consecutively for 5 days straight, since way back here on the 11th, all the way up to the 18th, this is now losing momentum really fast. I shared my honest, humble opinion yesterday, and today I will continue to. And let's pull up Ultimate 42 Vision. By the way, you can gain access to it now, where you could see the strength in the chart and the weakness based off the colors of the bars and also the bull and bear indicators, guys. Look how clean this is from way back here on the 11th and 10th when momentum started to pick up at $2.26, and it lasted all the way through with strength on 42 Vision up to the point of 580. It got a bear indicator, and it's lasted for the last 2 days back to back. So you receive the clarity within the volatility of the markets, and also you could see the dips and the rips, guys. Check out the link down below in the description to the 42 Vision indicators. You'll gain access to the daily watch list, weekly watch list, and a community of investors all looking to learn and grow together, as well as the premium indicators to receive the clarity you deserve to maximize on opportunities no matter what volatility is going on, guys. So BBIG continues to go down. It's broken through key support levels. The first one was up here at 474, then down here at 380s, and now we have the next one, which is 330s, guys. I would just round it down from 333 to 330. If that gets broken through, it will struggle to get back up anywhere near the 450s and also 480 mark, almost reaching $5. So definitely something to be aware of. And where this stands, if it looks strong, it could show strength on the 4 hour as well. So that's why we're tracking both. The 30-minute so far weak, but it's at a pivotal point. How this reversal looks, We're going to look at the 4-hour as well. And if it has white with red borders, it could be a huge sign of possibility of a reversal. So when we come over here, the 4-hour, it just started today in the pre-market, just got a bear indicator. We were watching if that was going to happen or not. It was still showing strength here on the 4-hour, which was green with red borders. Now we have dark green with red borders, and things are collapsing and moving really fast. I stated yesterday that a lot of the people that keep on posting hold are some of the first ones that have sold. I have not had a position in BBIG in this run. I did trade BBIG last year from way down here at the 2s up to 12, and also way back here in May from 2 to 6. This time around, I did not catch into the momentum. When I started watching it, I felt like I found out about it a little too late, but I've been making these videos out of gratitude to share with you guys the clarity you deserve within what the chart's showing, and see how you can prepare yourself for the next trading day and the next opportunity. Now, just because it's fallen from way up here at $6, because that's literally the resistance in my opinion, not $5.98, $6 is super important, and it's fallen all the way down to 360s, doesn't mean that it doesn't have a chance to come back up, but it is struggling to try to get back up. And the lower this goes, we're doing a complete transition. The last time we went into a bear indicator, dark green with red borders, and we've seen it back to back. The next part of the puzzle is red, guys. And right after red, from those dark greens pulling downwards, is white with red borders. So on the 30-minute, we have white with red borders, but on the 4-hour, we have a bigger picture here that is nowhere near that extreme weakness yet. It's just beginning, and this shift could turn back around if the 30-minute brings it up with it. But even though things look overextended here, there's going to be a lot of bull traps in the process if the 4-hour doesn't completely reverse and continues that dark green with red border and shifts into red. And you could see how quick weakness appeared here on the 30-minute, because it skipped dark green with red borders. It just went straight to red, and that's all we've seen. Red, white with red borders, red, white with red borders, and red. And that's all we've seen so far. Now, has it had small jumps of 10 to 20%, 20 to 30% plus? Yes, it has. And we've seen it here in these dips. But in the process, it's been falling really fast, and those that are selling are handing this right back to the shorts. I talked about it yesterday. I shared with you guys the data. The days to cover is low. A lot of these shorts are re-shorting up here at these levels, and those that are selling out and closing those call option opportunities is just destroying the momentum. Now, could this find a support? Well, one of the most important support levels right now is 330. Now, if it can find a support between 330 and down here at 290, it could be something to watch. But the fact that it's been pulling back this fast, it is actually eating up all the gains that it gained in the last several days in the same amount of time back down to the downside. So you can tell that this was nothing but a trade on momentum and hype, and the short squeeze barely happened, because if this was going to squeeze, it would have went over $6, because the largest amount of shorts are way up here, guys. Those are the ones that would have gotten trapped, and this could have taken off with a lot more momentum, like beyond what the charts would imagine. And a lot of people were aiming for 10, 12, and some are saying $20 out there. Is it possible? Sure it is. But right now, that's not what the charts are showing. Everybody can say whatever they want, but the charts, they don't lie. You see that bull indicator there? Lasted those amount of days. See that bear indicator right there? Lasted these 2 days so far. So the only way to cancel this out and turn bullish again, it has to find a consolidation, bring itself back up, and in the process, somewhere along the lines of that reversal, right, of coming back up, there needs to be a bull indicator popping up, guys. A bull indicator needs to negate it and come with enough strength, because it's pulling back, and 2 days straight of pullbacks is not looking that strong. And with how the market reacted today, all right, and it just pulled back out of nowhere, which we knew about it since 1 o'clock. If you pull up the 5-minute, we had that notification from the S&P 500 index pulling back around 1 o'clock, and those SPY puts literally 5x plus from that moment forward. So you don't just receive clarity for BBIG if you join 42 Vision, you're going to receive clarity for the overall markets. And we have a spy bot that actually sends out notifications of when these things are happening within the SPY, these bull and bear indicators of Ultimate 42 Vision. So BBIG really needs to hold up above 330 and not go any lower. Actually try to break right back through 380 and then get itself back up towards $4 and stay above it, so then we can start reanalyzing these resistance levels up here. If not, if it breaks through 330, the next one's way down there at 290, and that's going to be the most significant point that if it does go down to it, we want to see this consolidate. If not, it just literally came right back down to where everything started. Literally, it's back in the twos. And that just means it'll consolidate somewhere down here and slowly keep going lower to possibly even reach towards the ones, the most bearish case scenario, which at the end of the day, this stock, all it had going for it right now is the cryptide and also just hype and speculation, because it is a penny stock and we've seen how fast things fade away for it. Like, look how fast it brought itself up, faded away, brought itself up, faded away, and it literally took almost 5 to 6 months to try to push itself back up again. So it is important to be aware that this is a penny stock, high risk, moved by hype, and cryptide is the only large catalyst it has going for it moving forward. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.